Hey, are you looking for some quality toys for your toddler that they will love and that are educational? If so, stick around because I'm going to be breaking down the best toys for this holiday season. Coming up. And just like that, we are gearing up for the holiday season again. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Nicole. I'm a mommy. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, as well as a certified lactation counselor. And on this channel, I am sharing all of my resources and education to help make motherhood just a little bit easier on you. So if that sounds like something you're into, consider subscribing for weekly helpful tips. As a fellow mama, I get it. You purchase what you think is a wonderful toy for your kiddo and they play with it for a hot minute. It's frustrating and ultimately we feel like we're wasting our money. So with that in mind, I've picked out some toys that are quality, educational, foster development, are tons of fun, and my favorite, they can grow with your child. So that way you don't feel like you're jumping on the latest trend and your child's only gonna play with the toy for 1 week. All right, let's get into it. So the first toy I'm recommending this holiday season for your toddler is the LEAPFROG's My Own Laptop toy. So the first thing that I love about this toy is that it's super portable, so you could take it in the car, or if you're traveling, it doesn't take up much space at all to pack in a suitcase or a travel bag. But second, it's quite educational. It's got a bunch of letters here, so your little one will actually learn the alphabet. They learn how to spell their name. There's a function where you can program their name inside of this and it helps them learn how to spell it. There's also some songs and a tab for emails. So if your little one sees you working on their laptop, they can pull up their little laptop and work alongside you. Kai got this present for his first birthday and he's now 3.5 years old, and this is still one of his favorite toys. So money well spent. This is a great gift if you're looking for something that is going to grow with your little one. All right, so next up on the toddler gift guide is the Melissa and Doug's First Bead Maze. So what I love about this product is that it has suction cups on the bottom of the set. And I think this is a great toy to implement before mealtime. So maybe you're cooking dinner and you want to keep your little one entertained, or maybe you're out to dinner and you're trying to keep them busy before the food comes. Place this on the table or on their high chair and give them something to do. I also love that there are no batteries in this toy. They have to use their brain, their imagination, and some index finger isolation to move the components along the wire. It's a super inexpensive toy, and again, it's so easy to travel with. So if your little one is actually still an infant, like heading into toddlerhood, I'd say that that's a great time to purchase this toy. We're learning to isolate our fingers around the 9-month mark or so. So anywhere from 9 months on, this is a good toy for your little. All right, fam, so next up is the Little TIKES Rocking Horse. I love throwing in a toy that's going to address our busy toddlers. You know, the ones that are jumping off the couch, that are constantly spinning around in circles. This is a toy for our busy toddlers. So what's great about this toy is obviously they're going to get to rock, but what's important about that motion is it can help calm our bodies. If our little one is seeking movement, so if your little one loves the swing, loves bouncing and crashing, they are telling us that they need some more input. They need more motion. They need to feel where their body is in space. So this particular toy is great. It's small enough where you can place it in the corner of your child's room or maybe even leave it outside in the backyard. It has a 50-pound weight limit. And as I mentioned prior, it's just a really easy, simple way for your little one to get their sensory needs met. All right, mama, so next up is a nicer gift for our toddlers. But again, I'm all about investing in something that's quality and that's going to last potentially for years versus shoveling out $10, $20 here and there for something that is gonna fall apart or our kiddos aren't going to be into a week from now. So this next item is a balance bike, and the video footage you see Kai in right now is actually a child's bike, and we had removed the pedals to make it a balance bike. Now, I thought that this would be smart because we would get to use something for a longer period of time. But what I found was it was harder for him to use the balance bike early on because a child's bike is going to sit higher than a standard balance bike. So I've linked a very good balance bike in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out. And what we ended up doing was once Kai became a pro on said balance bike that we created, we put the pedals back on and he actually just recently learned how to ride a bike.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. Look at you go. You are the man.
At age 3.5, I'm so impressed because I was 6 years old when I learned how to ride a bike. In any case, whether you choose to use a toddler bicycle and take the pedals off like we did, or just go the traditional balance bike route, I think it's a wonderful gift and it's teaching your little one so many skills. I think it's so cool that kiddos are learning to ride their bike a few years earlier than our generation because they skip training wheels and they're learning how to balance their body at such a young age. So again, everything that I mentioned today will be linked in the description box below. All right, guys, so next up is the Count and Match Eggs by KIDZLANE. I thought that this toy set was so adorable as it teaches your little one numbers, counting, and matching. And as an occupational therapist, I absolutely love that it teaches bilateral hand coordination, which just means using both hands together and also at midline, so in the center of our body, because they have this little puzzle set that they have to put together. So you have to figure out how to match up the pieces to make the egg whole. And so the numbers go from like 1 to 12 and they're all different colors and different shapes inside of the eggs. I just think it's super cute. All right, mamas, so next up is a toy for our older toddlers. And I'm a firm believer in introducing musical instruments early if possible because there are so many beautiful skills that are developed from learning to play a musical instrument. So in this case, it's an electrical drum set, and let me tell you, Kai loves this thing. What's awesome about it is it also comes with a pedal, which seems like it would take a bunch of coordination, and it does, for a little kid to learn how to use the drumsticks and the pedal in unison. But you can kind of see in this clip, Kai going at it, and this is his first or second day using this drum set. And I have a lot of faith in him. I think a little more practice and he's actually going to have a rhythm and the coordination to use them both together. It's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. So this particular drum set comes with its own speaker, which to be honest, the audio out is so-so, but what's great about this set is you could actually hook the drum set up to your own speaker. So if you have a portable Bluetooth speaker and you want better sound quality, there's a little jack that you can just plug that into and the quality improves drastically. I love that the footprint of this is relatively small, so it's not gonna take up too much space in your child's room. And if for whatever reason you needed to travel with a drum set, it's doable. But again, from a developmental standpoint, I think it's such a great idea to introduce a musical instrument to your little one while they're young because they have to use both sides of the brain to coordinate their movements in their hands, in their fingers, and in their legs. All right, mama, so the final product I'm gonna mention in this toddler gift guide video is actually one that made an appearance in last year's gift guide video because my style is just to pick classic toys that are gonna last for years. I don't love jumping on trendy toys or things that are in season for a moment. Like, if you're gonna spend money on stuff, like I said, let it be quality and let it be something that can last for years to come. And this product absolutely fits that bill. It's the GONGE RIVERSTONES set. You guys, I can't say, I did an entire video just on this product and it was not sponsored. I just love the product this much. So what I love about this product, besides the fact that it was made beautifully well and will last well beyond your child's use of this product, is that you can incorporate so many social games with these RIVERSTONES. So initially, your little one's going to learn how to just balance on the different types of stones, and that's really gonna work their core. You think it looks relatively easy to walk on the various stones, but I'm telling you, it takes the entire body to adjust and balance to stay steady on these stones. But as your little one gets older and they start to gain new friends, and maybe you're doing play dates at the house, this is such a fun social activity to bring out. Think about Ring Around the Rosie or tag, creating space between the river stones to straddle them, or literally jumping river stones as your child's balance and motor skills increase. There's so many different things you can do with them. And again, they travel well. It's a relatively light set to pick up and take to the park. I love it. I love it. I love this set. So again, if you guys love any of the products that I've recommended, they are all linked in the description box below. Drop me a comment and let me know if I've missed any really cool toys this season that you're into so I can check them out and maybe do a review. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the 2019 toddler gift guide. And if you have a tiny one at home, don't worry, I've got you covered. I will be dropping a 2019 infant gift guide in the coming days. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Hey, are you looking That is the longest sentence ever. Okay, all right. Jeez Louise. 2:30. All right.